You to destroy the altar at Baal and cut down the pole at Asherah.
Yes, Lord.
Gideon knew that both idols could be found on the top of the highest hill in his village. He knew that the villagers would be there for the whole day. He was scared to be seen destroying the town's sacred place, so he waited to complete the Lord's mission until it was dark again. In the morning, the villagers find what has taken place while they slept.
No! Who would do such a thing?
It was Gideon. He should be punished.
Let's get him!
Yeah. No! It wasn't me! It was the Lord!
Let us in, Gideon! Gideon, let us in! Hey, what's going on? What's going on over here? It was Gideon! He destroyed our idols!
He destroyed your idols? Well, don't you think they're both real? Well, are they both powerful?
Yeah.
Well, if they're real and they're powerful, shouldn't you just let them defend themselves?
Okay.
Standing up and acting upon the truth is one of the most difficult challenges we face in today's corrupt society. We must choose to act courageously and listen to God as Gideon did.
The